Yo, hey. Bonol, strata mfana wa hits, spatletse masipala. That's why Raspala ga se hits. Raspala ga se hits. Raspala. Strata spalla le kgatho ya diphati. Ke strata. Ke batlile ho psha guys. Strata mfana spadile o ka se skone strata. Strata o ka se skone. Guys, ke kopela le one mbo ausi ya lena ba e leng di nurse he ba tikitse morning lerato ya ke ja one flower ke thata nna a ke re itse re go wa ngana ka ja borotho ke snack up wa one just that food a kono ja di heavy food. Guys, ke kopela le one your girlfriends, your boyfriends, those who are nurses. There's a 3 complaints we received in the group, in our group. They already nurse are selling ARVs to the foreign nationals. Guys, ba mention le di clinic ke tshabile o ira video mo lore guys, I know corruption it's all over, obviously re ga se fetse, but nana ke re over botsa hore the investigations it's on the way, and also the security guards are involved because the purpose for the security by the security gate go di clinicing is to search cars that are coming in and out kamara di clinic, and those clinics that have been mentioned get the rural community clinics but it's a go tlaleng. So guys, this is the message that I'm trying to pass. Ke kopela le botsa your siblings, or there are people who will be coming to those clinics ka di ball pen. Well, the ball pen tse ding papa di a beta. Ball pen tse la papa di untsha le whatever that you are doing, le whatever that you are saying. So I want you guys to be more careful. Please go and tell your sisters and brothers that there is someone behind. Never feel 3 clinics. Kama bitso ya hore ba rekisa di ARV ka mara di clinic. Ke tshaba o ira that video cause if nka etsa that video, I know that they will call me and I have to expose the clinic. So that is not my a ke expose it or motho mong a lose mmereko. Mara ke no valore if there are nurses who are selling ARVs, stop what you are doing. There are people that are behind that. Also, despite some security from the company, but para those things, guys. And I want you to warn you, everyone, and this shows you guys, for South Africans, you are not taking treatment serious. Hi, Brie. You are not even taking your treatment very serious. That's why that bus was involved in the accident, the guys. But we boxes of ARVs. That bus airline accident, the one from Tebea to Malawi. Bagreile ma boxes. Guys, not really what is the use? Last time I said it. What is the use for you to stop foreign nationals to go and get medication for free? but you're not using those clinics. There are people that the clinic is only 1 kilometers away, but that person wants to travel 35 kilometers. At the clinic, you go around. Guys, you are making clinics overcrowding. Let me tell you one thing. You see, I'm in Pretoria in Orchard. I can drive to Brett's clinic and start a treatment in Brett's clinic. But believe you me this, one day someone will see me. Go Brett. You can't hide. But when you are going to Legalavanda, the guys are tapping screen more gifting. Hele Galavanda go strate kwa le monana le di sugar daddy tsa ditedu tsa o tlhaba le ba ke kolo ba di rupetsa o shwa ba go bia lengwa. Ba ba itse ke ba bone ka weekend bo mme ba le ba di rupetsa guys a bo mme ba tlhabisa di khala serious yo. A tlala ke bone go motle guys tlala ka ndete. Guys tlala e fitlhele basadi fela. Tlala e fitlhele basadi fela. Ka mo sa complain ka mabopano guys mabopano ba shimane ba teng ba bantshi ke ma after 9 ke re ka mo motle ba fana ba 17 18 ba ka diela ka letsole la di stripe tsa zebra fana ka le 4850 ya sister lo mono mo lebeletse joko mathonga dawa mono o yena o na le yona o wa mfrosta na chu ko re guys na ke le botse ma ko bya lentsho tsa lo tsa ko bya leng mabatho if you are taking it too personal feel free to exit. How would say that question? Salon would like a roba sadi. He gets an eleven now, some buzoro roba. So one would say that question. Yeah, one would say that question. Argelan comes on a life. Yeah, Markima Basali or Moto and Italwa. And I never find a Nagamo the Gata. Abba Jargo Woods. What's a Maritavano Muluno to a Julerat? Whether you are a man, whether you are a woman, or a rat. I believe in all social media now, guys. You know you should be not really losing YouTube. Why not HIV good morning, Mashilu. Now why sorry Taviso? Karna HIV ke go basadi. Aga gra go banni. HIV. Olala ne limited para to play the victim. And already ale banna ba banshur ba yebi ale. Ba isa gore basadi aba apare go biale. So all respect am sadi lo sa aparo apara cheeky pen once kuku print go biale. Arebe stand off so you want to tell me that that person is a woman. Yeah? I'm just asking. You want me to respect? Okay, there are some women that you can respect. Joe, there are also some men that you can now Jorgo Woods. I don't respect the time of Vata. That's one thing for sure. Question over Uruta about you Olomo. On 48 years, Boma 45, 40s, Ogama Rabanabama 2000. What is the image? Ewe draw a mobile number. What is that image? And we know that, guys, the stats in Gauteng, but most of the people that are sick are people from the age of 50 to 55. Continue once or guys, but once they reach 40, especially banana ever reach 40 or by reaching, abasa reach a condo. By Metagana. My Zurmazabona limited. That days are numbered. Many tell offer aside. Joe isn't doing a ratanga strata in your road. Authority and a dikereke, John, not a lot of Anchirabaites. Guys are Rabaites. Temsa. Investor is some Mamitago Hospital. WhatsApp. Take my numbers on the bio. I gotta give a little good. Thank you, support my initiative, Selina. Guys, support my initiative. Loela Gomora. Marle Batorna get like it this, but let's only know what if you see it again. Kaboloya manga petrolomang. Abash. Agar naral buta messenger motor supporting organization. Nyo go Cheldarina, Unyo go Cheldarina. Cheldarina, how Cheldarina on a lebukai. Sama Tom, how much do you have? You vote over here, would have you so I go jelly check against Naya pay like Aquana, my right? Really feel it in sunny. No. na guys rapi ya jo we cook good morning guys sope go ijaga borotho le tshwara ke tlala mo ntshare mara wa itsa ke rato reka di juice why man why didn't I buy juices Obana guys ke re le botseng thank you wena jo masepa motho Dillion Dillion just not catch let's see donai Baba le chile tsa exciting again ora batho ba bule di cold drink bo ko na ana fela bo e khomela cold drink tsama o tsona le khouku ya santsa e felle wa bana ke tsona le tse exciting again ka botho ka jo serious tsona le tse exciting again ka motho ba no ga re ke fetwa go maraba start ba no lebella na ana jo ngare ke go maraba start ba no dilo tsotlhe di afa jo tla di mixa ya ipa ya remix them jo serious jo o to bona nyon drink go re tshela ka mo lo bula tsotlhe that's why the grocery santse di tsene bushiwe grocery santse di thomo tsena bushiwe not montsha hape ngare ka hafa ka dikhupu tse ka a ke bana ba le sister dijo di a tura di courses ba ya dira dijo di a tura na re reka dijo wena biso reka mabjalo to tshwenyana le nna ka boshigo thabiso ga ona wa itse ke dumile na matlho khabana le bjalo reke dijo khabana le bjalo yeah Ever finish them guys I'm not getting joys no I cannot have a little guys but I don't have a problem with it mara guys nahana nyana fela o nahane jo lebela di cold drink ke tse ga itse lo reng guys di buleile how jo Dillion e tloele jo tla ira next week wa tshwane ka sene this week maybe e ka sene so guys mo ke prepare lo no ARV ka mara I think I have to change now go to 8:30 wait no guys it's summer sanze ke thomo change na kwa ARV yeah next week sanze ke thomo change na kwa di ARV wait ntate baloyi silo yini ntate baloyi ba ay ifukile ntate baloyi guys na lengetela ndombe ndla ke sharp boy guys just that Friday ya khotho kwa manskrala wait go kopana le that monster wa ntsetse ngwana ola fanola ke lorile wait guys ke motswere I miss you jo every day in life ga malo ke tswa event then this weekend go good morning Aniki kwa motle kwa yo guys what's up Dillion yeah joy guys what's up Dillion ju Dillion na ke ile le yena guys na le batho ba bang ba swenga yo guys re ile kwa motle I was a motivational speaker for bana na irile ke marumbu exe na irile ke marumbu re ile da kwa motle ya kwa motle stadium guys motle ena support bomme ba go motle basadi ba go motle ba go bjaleng go maphaphela ba rometse bana ba banye o re wa itse ga se tsore o ra bana ba lori jo ke re ba tletse go mabjale se kontirisela ba go bjaleng bo botle ba tetsatsitse ka di inuka ba bang e bilang ga re ba robela Babangar Barobe. Yo guys are really what's saying, guys. Lamana like how disappointed serious. Squeeze us a deal on guys who couple that picture lane. Yo ba mufutela. Hargen does that yo guys. That boy umborile guys. Umborile. Kiburza marombo. Kiburza marombo next time I shoot a deal on guys. Kiburza marombo next time I event and I'll watch again. Never call me. Guys, what's on a lot of get over guys, you forget. Get out and do one, ne? Guys, we are who we are because of you guys. What's what, guys? We are who we are. For us to trend is because you guys, you are following us. So no matter how busy I am, get all of no matter how busy, tell me so compare a picture. Guys, I have to wait and take a picture with you. Guys, now when you follow me too, guys, that boy was showing a serious. I cut it really when came unfollow it. I unfollowed the guys. Opotile the sister. How can you let the pictures we took? He refused to be in the Leruna mo line. I get to give my Murito or a celebrity. I get to give my Murito or only chele. But now I'm excluding myself. If you are going to do event on your motivational speaker, don't ever mix me. Let's league. Serious, guys. That it was not good, wait. Why is it not go vote? Hegetsena go away, guys. Bana ba tle ba shiana monna ba thabiswa go TikTok. Why is it go vote before? Ko tsena ka mona ba prepareile ne guys. It took me 35 minutes to re ke go ke yang bana ba nyaka di picture. No stand don't ga yetsa. And what's part na ke rata ke 2000. Ba itse ka taba re strata spaletse masipala. Major. It's a year. You can don't say any picture. Yo, guys, some bullet. Why is it la khile, ne? Or why is it guys get la khile mara? Umbori. Marregele beleta batsa 80 yaka, ne? Ergele beleta batsa 80 yaka. Kawane le bona da. Hi, Lena, hear that guys, but na I get sharp. One twara, ne? Why do you go boot? I'm HIV positive. You know, there is someone who wish to see me in person. And le randa hana le silo. Honor fella, once I can see this guy, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, guys. There are people who are HIV positive. Their only wish for it. That's why someone was telling me, guys, you cannot cancel a stubborn person who's HIV positive while you are HIV negative. You are not feeling the pain, like the pain of someone. The pain of someone who just recently got tested yesterday. When I only, Joe, it's finally, I always say, it's finally oh, praise the Lord, you know, God is like this. Don't worry, God will provide. Guys, I understand how to take ARVs in an empty stomach. I've got that experience. And I was not saying, look, guys, 2020 lockdown, guys, I was still new on HIV. Kopola that lockdown with Kala Jogerilla taxi background daddy takes. Guys, nagis na shebo. Kopola go to a year go blogonya ya out here waka club. Get job over a net fellow. I must take the ARVs. Why do you when you are new in ARVs, they give you this. They give you one pill for TB. They give you one for vitamins. They give you one for the ARVs. The others, you take them in the morning. The others, you take them in the evening. Just imagine, guys, in an empty stomach taking the ARVs. Joe, you start developing an anger. Well, you understand that? You start developing an anger because people, they don't know what you are going through. So that's why you need to study people who are living with the chronic. Guys, chronic to arch. You need to have veggies. There are some things like you need to reduce. I don't know if you understand. You see that's why I go Nile, the person who cancel me, cancels like guys, on cancel like it's already maybe not the ARV 10 moton and cancel. Why is it this guy jogging saying mobile clinic? Hemfundini ungawari yamazu celebrity banbano onayo isifu. Ah naga muntu unouka sifu kimbiano. Komoza Joe, how do you come South Africa remix? Hello Miss Drew. Come South Africa remix. Ka jona ke cancel leading nurse. Tsona tse di thusa go clinic. Then WhatsApp they take my numbers on the babara butu khona bya. E palla le nurse transkolo. Oh, now you don't know strata, but clean strata, but strata is not bad. Is it possible for a person who default to recover? Yeah. Joe. Baba ntiba default ile ba buile. Joe, who default is like a relationship you have been had. You say, I don't want to see boys again. I don't want to see girls again. You recover, you move on, you find someone else again. That's how you default. Any question? Feel free to ask me any question. No, I never defaulted. The reason why I don't want to default, I don't want to see myself kaki. I don't want to see my mother coming to TikTok asking donation for adult pampers. Hey, I don't want to gaga. No, I don't know what you remember. What the hell is time is? Onyilo Taviso. Uyagila ma ARV uyasinyela manje. No. That is not my league. As long as the ARV they're still there. No, you know. Guys, you know, I'm still wondering and asking myself a question. Ogoti, Zoo, that's why let me be fair and honest with you. I put myself first. Last I was looking for a relationship. So again, I like with TikTok, guys, looking for a soulmate. Here's some jolly. So guys, single and mingle. And I wish I should have chosen that lady from Eastern Cape. Wait, why did I think what the girl that I chose was just around Pretoria? Yeah, I do skip Miss Rams a day. A day it's only allowed, not 2 days. So guys, I had to choose a girl, ne? Girl on Nagamoto. We dated. Relationship was good, flowing. Trend. And guys, you should know dating someone like me, ne? You should know dating someone like me, guys. There will be questions that you need to answer. First question, you name. And by that time you are negative. But you hear the person, people utwa girl ola date. So this girl it was one day morning, we are in bed. Ebege mo kopa kere ke kopela morning ke no cold drink Peter. Kare ke kopela re video umfa ARV. Morning bontle dilo no mopula kere. Carno, let's make a video, then give me ARV. The video went viral, guys. The video reached close to my 2.2 million views. Yeah, so guys, you know what happened? Eh? So this lady now, she called me, Elon Tobogo. She called me, guys, Kurukula, or Jujio Nia. So this girl now, the video is trending. She called me, Are. I need to see, we need to sit down and talk. Okay, fine, come. The lady came. When the lady arrived, she said to me, I want you to, video, it's already on Twitter. It's already booming and it's already even your cousins, they've seen it, everyone, they've seen it. I can't take this anymore. Kero, what is that you can't take anymore? No. I'm sick and tired. People are asking me questions every day. And it's like now with one video, I'm like a celebrity. You know what I did, Joe? I was laughing. And I did open my door and deleted the video and move on, Kabope. You know, Joe, I'm not going to be saying, relationship. Sorry to say this. I'm not going to beg you to love me and you want to change my TikTok and tell me what. My sister, you can keep your love. I don't need it. Hello, I don't need it. Joe, Lamagat. Why is it gonna maybe I've got two exes from TikTok? Hang out with between the two of these exes from this TikTok, guys. No one cheated. The last one I was dating, we were complaining about. She was complaining about why ladies are calling me, and then they need advice from you. Why can't they go to a clinic? What a useless question, guys. Hey, can you just what guys keep now? You know, let me tell you one thing. I know before I was a womanizer, before I found out that I'm HIV, nana ke les febe. Ibile o le modimo a itse re Thabiso, Thabiso na rata le pona, Thabiso na shota re a hentlu ka mara le pona. Ko re Thabiso a sa je le pona beke ho tloka rena ke lwala man na sentse ke kreye punane na ke inyaka. Ka taxi ko re ke tla etsoma boshiwo botlhe. You get my point, ne ke le sefebe. Ke latlhile bofebe ka 2019 ka di 31 tsa January. Na lona ke latlha bofebe ka mara dustbin ke re bjanong bo. Wa itse re ke lo the tlhatswa ka ARV bjano ko nna so ke bona di relationship tse was it bina ba rena ke le sefebe or ai jo le basadi la re but I'm sorry in a relationship a jike somebody now that's a sharp curve. Guys, I'm telling you the truth. Kojo, you just have to ask yourself, why is it not Joe? Adamuela Jesu, I want to tell a tata for a git. Salagamuela Jesu, we got ropa what to you, accept your ropa what. So, no, guys, I've been there, Joe. Argo upola utswetsa ngwayana wa chobi yaka hit mareke macho. You guys have been there. Why is it not Joe? Even when you're going to tell me already. Why is it, ladies and gentlemen, listen. When your partner Helekawana are you HIV positive, guys, just say thank you. Don't put that thing in your mind. How many exes did we have? How many people we have wrote them letters and say, I will love you forever no matter where are they today? Anonymous, I'm going, okay. Yeah, where are they today? Some of you are even dating my one night stands, but you're talking nonsense about me. Basically, that's why is it guys are go vote? Don't turn your problems into a church. I don't know if rautwana na. Aizo rautwana na, guys. Do not turn your problems into a church. Because you are going to be confused because of your problems. Anonymous, it will depend about your viral load. Remember, I cannot tell you how long because I don't know you're in which stage. You understand? So I don't want to give you a wrong information on that. So you understand what I'm saying to you guys, ne? These are the things the Lord also. You cannot turn your problems into a church. You go to a church because you were told that when you go to a church, your problems will be solved. They won't. How many Christians you know, they are still poor even today? How many drunkards you know, they still have money because they're buying people alcohol? People are smiling because he bought them what they love. So he gets more blessings because people are always happy. His name, people are happy. Let me tell you the first thing. Kosi, I will check my WhatsApp. I can't check it now. So if it's the question that you want to ask me, guys, I think you should use the 081 because the 061 is this one. I should plug also. You understand what I'm saying, guys? If you want to overcome or overpower your problems, guys, you need to sit down, ask yourself where you're coming from. What is your dream? What is that what you want in life? Otokono, you will heal yourself. You don't need pastors to put their hands on you to say problems will be solved. It can be. Some of you guys, you are in a relationships whereby you are being abused emotionally and physically. But you are in that relationship. You are in that relationship. Just because there is a wallet. There is money. I don't know if you understand. There is money. Some of you are in a fake relationships. But deep down in your heart, you know that your heart doesn't belong to that relationship. Can I get that amen, Lady Roses? We both know, or you are in a relationship. But you are trapped there because you said, but you are not happy. You are always an unknown, guys. You have got a medication that you are taking because of the depression. To have a child with someone doesn't mean they own you. Guys, they don't own you. Let me tell you, the first signal or the first mistake that you will come across, or this thing is not going to work. Do not wait until it grows. I don't know if you guys, you understand me. Do not wait until this thing, it grows. You are going to have a problem. Thank you. You are going to have a problem. That's why imagine. I don't think I can date. I don't think I can date a woman with 2 kids or 3 kids while she's unemployed and she doesn't want to look for a job. That is the first thing that I told myself. I will never do that. If you have got kids, you must also be working. Because I'm not going to be in a relationship whereby I'm going to be forced and be told, good, you said you love me, you love me with, no. You see, that is the kind of a person that I don't want. And the second one, I don't want to date a broke girl or rata monate. I don't want to date a broke girl or rata monate. Why? Why are all broke rata monate? STI. I've been there, done that. They are so weak and easy. o kono reka 48 ya alcohol mo pela di chomi tsae wa share le di chomi tsa wa no let's go and talk in the car kana go ke 9 o'clock di chomi tsae di abi o thomo montsha net fela 2000 ya di 50 rand ya no na no re wena wa itsona le nyu hasno mtara gare ke na le motho mara ke tla tla go wena a o thomo kana misa sit house kan rotel itse ka le bagaleng bo desperation le nyugo ene le ngwayana o rata meriri ena pallang go e afford le manala a sa bereki. Those are not my types. You stay away from. I don't want problems. I don't want to be called that. Thabiso you are stupid. O slang. Ha ke batle mathata awe. Are we clear? So you see, most men they put themselves in those traps just because me also. And nobody ba mathalela ba pakile. Guys, when we talk about jobs, we don't talk about you being in the office. At least to sponsor man Thabiso ga se wedisa ranna mo bobotle lena le ntse ka mana na ke lenya ke sham a ke nya ke bono don't tlisetsa le 80 times 2 eno ba lebelle bona bo matlhalelanyana ba o senya ke mmereko they don't even know their results as long as we speak now ba ntse ka mfatsa ditlhare ba nnetse 5 roses ba bolela ka batho why ke na go re receive batho yo ke December I was playing with someone at Ashu Dillon is my witness guys ke tseno go through at Wonder Park doing a joke ka re sister wa December di fitlhile nna ke nya ka mmereko da o se angitse arabutu serious ke re a ke mara ka tshwara CV mara nga thoma ke le so are going print CV and come back. So which jobs you guys are talking about? You don't even challenge the mall. Na re go botse Joe. Ke tlile pleke ngo kono first by bitsa ba re ke silver scale. After grade 12. Ke lateletse greener pass ya ka ke robala mo strateng ke robala go Chess Square. Ke tlhapa mo metsing a le letsang di photo go Chess Square. Ke robala ka mara refuse bag. Ya maspala. Spala sa ka sa mathomo. I was a till packet shop right Van der Walt. That one is in between Church and Van der Walt. Kilipi, like a till skipper sa shop right to it's a tavil. Can nago page. So who are you? That was you failure or let me go. Why is it long as I go to Robo Tapilo and Mupilo? I go ring you copelari 10 rand. Doga watch or 200 the shop lady, shop ready put, and I don't understand the slave queency Merogo Audi. Emona, you like someone who goes to church. Ele mocha wa ZCC. Ayona le bontate ba le batsere pension ba nwa ditie. Yena tsela nne le bona nwe ditie tsa re khotso o tla loka. Emona to di nwa di FG tse mara slongo sa receive. O to feletsa wa para rogo ela check go kereki. Dira CV. Ira ayo o ruta da montunya mo to fetsa di button tsa remote nya ka mmereko bereka more emona mo ke motleng wa bofelo o go tusisa ne re go botse guys re go tlhalosetse ke metleng ya bofelo re o munye no munye ya sphandela o bolo mongwe guys ela ruto wa bona the reason why banna ba tlo le bola wa itse re go botse re tlo irela banna ba ba holo re ke le botse re ba irang guys ne una le bontata ba bang they are not married. They are in their 40s. Barata bana ba banyane. I remember we had this story. Ogarga 2016, guys. 2016. Imagine, guys, only 22 years. Oh, well, I get to 52 years. Aro girlfriend high. High tabisi kalanyan. Yeah? How level that 22 or 30 or 40 or as papa motola molaile. What's going to happen in the next coming 5 years? What's going to happen? In the next coming 5 years, guys, Banavali Nabobuti, Bama 2000, it's not a case. But the Baba data analytic Zabo Papale, Zabo Papabo. It started already now. Because these kids, they were trained by their friends. Once the guys, the Department of Education, in the 80s and 70s, you are the one who changed it. Bana ba ska tlhala ba bethwa go dikolong. Bana ba na le di rights. Guys, bana ba bo di president tsa lena ba di political parties, they are in multiracial schools with the bodyguards. Ba ithuta. A bana nako ya o jola, a bana nako ya strata. Lena ba tlo le botsa gore ngwana 12 years should do a family planning. Ba ruta ngwana ka life orientation, ba botsa gore pipi ya tsena ya ruta, ha e ruta yo tsena ka mo maeng ka mola. And teacher a teng a ba ruta re ene o ire gently o tlo mosadi a o motse. Bana ba lantse ba re ke tsona tse ba di itseng. That's why bana ba lena ba palla go ira maths and physics. We had a biology. You never have this shit subjects. Biology a ruta Joe. You understand? Let the agribona relay. You guys, you said my teacher had no better bana ba re. How many teachers you know baba robalang le bana ba lena? Bana ba lena ba irile di abortion. Negile skolo se sengwe mo Mpumalanga ba re ke El Kanyusi. You remember the video? I even got the threats, and I told her why I get deleted. Wait, ish ka itshola, wait ka itshola. Ke tsana mola mo staging, guys. Ke a bolela le bana ke guys, khawana le batho ba baholo, khawana le di taxi drive. Bana ba re o ya go khule. Problem e thoma ka mo sekolo na le ma teacher a robalang le bana ba imisitse le bana. Ko sekolo se seng ko Tuefontein ke tsamaile. That's why go botsa last year I went for 108 schools. Ko Tuefontein principal o imisitse bana ba sekolo ba babedi o patela stipend every month. I heard this is what we guys we want. You get my point. Guys, le no na lo tse dintse he ke le botsa ke re support my initiative. Ke re donate ang ke le expose tsa batho ba re le ntshetse bona la hana. O tlo dumela this thing one day HIV le ka mo jarteng ya ka mo heno. Ko no tlo bona botlhokwa ba Thabiso re mara this is the right candidate that I can talk to. Morning Constance. Ke le butsa maloba ka re guys. Iran tšhelete tsa di-poster ke tseng di-poster ke emetse tse ding tse 20 dietla ke tse di-poster ke di ise ko dikolong and le lebala hape ke le botsa ke re guys we will never end this thing of HIV whereby I said each and every year we have kids who are born HIV positive and most of those kids they default ba robala le bana ba lena ba ba negative. That's why they're being exposed after tertiary or in tertiary. They start to be in symptomic stage of HIV. Wana wa ushubu tor mama wa itse ke re ma ke tlhokela le di chest pain and go ha wa bofelo o graduate go university. Wena o tseya ngwana wa moshanisa wa motibisa le dingaka. Ha ona ngaka go etsa mampapa ya botsoro lo tsa o di tsa mapi. Rakadi ya salo e batlo botsoro tlhokomela di koliki go mmerego ene bana ba batho bana tabalwe. Ngwana we ba tlhokofala le go ngakeng ngwana or ba blitz. Ngwana kanting. They got HIV there in high school. E boditsore last guys ke ile ke manalten guys me mongwe na tsene mo ka yena ju. I wish she can share the story again. You still remember me mongwe mo tsene mo are ngwana today she's 20 years but ngwana yo kry-ile HIV at the age of 13 and marwe kry-ile go tageng ya hae. You think what I'm talking about? Maybe guys can joke or ira e. Mar, o don't kopola this thing like a mo jarteng ya hao. O grona le mafu a maitri. O itse gore HIV it's a virus e ratang dijo. A ke tse wena o le busy tsa le batlo thomang ba o botsa in this government ba botsa ba ra ba re ARV soon will be sold 600. Ha ona nto o ikhona nga matso. Mabane na ke no bontsha fela go ra ke re a ke nne ka matso ne ke lo ira public December ga itse re santse go hasela go reila di 23 seater tsa di long distance ke re chelta ngwa o a ke itse re wa ntlhalwane modimo nna mfile talent ya go reila o mfile talent ya go dlala le keyboard he o nyewa ke tla go dlala keyboard ya someone ke tla wena o le ngwanyana nto o itseng what did you train nto o itse gore o santse ke ire mascara lo ira batho di blow job lo bula di chonopo tsa di brandwood. That is the talent that you have, a talent to be on the phone the whole day, sit like this. Yes, I'm starving, that's what you know. We are number one in dancing also, except Aumat. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you the truth. What is that what you know? What is that what you know? Guys, I'm telling you, the day it's coming for you to buy ARVs, I want you to write this day. Guys, how you want to travel taxi? O bula tambengo o be tšhelete di ARV go thoko. Kausani will come to, hey guys, guys, do you know that there is a family of 7 people that are HIV positive? My numbers are on the bio. You know how many people a day they text me? Whatever text the other lady jo pila wali 2000. Aratabiso, I'm 20 years of age. ARVs, they gave it to me go clinic. I saw them in my sister's wardrobe with a name. Now you see these 2 in the family. Now the last one knows Uti Usastere, she is HIV positive, but the sister thinks nobody knows. So she asked advice from me. I said to her, Joe, if when you're okay not disclosing your status, then and then you are taking your ARVs, it's good. There's no need, or when you're HIV positive, I should tell my mother. I know I'm not an activist. Well, as long as you accept that you are HIV positive, then life goes on. You don't need to tell your family or with an explanation or the only thing that matters, it's only you to accept. Accept. Guys, damage has been done. We are no longer having the love life. Bana ba ira di abortion, bana ba ya clinicing, bana ba ira di family planning, bo jana ka nama. Bo mme a ba sa itse ba guide bana bya. Bo mme ba ka jeno ba guide bana ba no. Wena o ime fela o tlo nyela, o tlo mo tlhokomela ngwano. Na ke ditseno o ye o tlhaba, o etswalla mo. Ngwana la ka sana tsena go sekolo, we read this thing about Lewang, what kind of a question is that? What question is that? What question is? We a joke. Brie, what are the side effects? I'm not taking PrEP. I don't want to lie. Remember I told you guys, with the thank you, Randy. With the pre-exposure prophylaxis, I'm not going to educate you about something that I'm not taking. Lerato go botsa nnete. Ngwana tsana go sekolong a rape mama ore a re ke ska ima. O di sore ngwana o file ore o mo file freedom ore she can go and galavant, she can go and dlala ka punane. What you just said to her, yena ha itse ore o mmotsa ore man wa itse ke njo. You guys, you don't preach about abstain. Why is it I thank God ko dikolo tse ke di tsamaileng ke ra follow up. Kolo tse ke di tsamaileng guys ke bolela le bana ba le teng ke bolela ka the grade 11 and 12. Ke botsise ka pregnancy and the behavior ya bana, how many did you bear? Guys, but they are performing well. Ana nungo dikolong guys, lebella ka mo South Africa. Harwa lebella, they no longer call motivational speakers. They call the dancers ko dikolong. You understand, man? They call the dancers ko dikolong. Bana ba ka jeno mo Pitori guys ba bina di bakadi ba tsamaya ka di pigara go sekolong. Some of them they become DJs ba go nna di DJ gore go bontsha they copied from what the principal and the SGBs organized for them. Bana ba ka mo South Africa ka jeno guys ba bina. Yes, ba bitsa bo Saint Bonji o boy jena wanda. Yo guys ba mo patele. Bana they want to be the role model le tsona le a saying. Mara, Joe or someone over Joe. Now we want you to adopt our school. Ta umatla ke bone but ke tloy bona. Yeah, ke bone nyana but la tlhalanya guys ke le botse. Kwa dikolo tsa rena guys, we no longer have motivational speakers. Bana every day they want to become this. Guys, ebeke botsane guys, every botse. Wa bona music, gospel music guys, ne? Gospel music doesn't expire. But the bakadinyana tse di mapiano tse bona re lebetse ka bo pinelana. We talking wanaka. I don't know if thank you Pete Pagula. You get bona re lebetse ka that song. Where is that lady was singing? Like we've been saying, how do we as a concerned South African stop all this nonsense? Are you guys happy when you hear that the black South African kids they don't want to study pure maths? Most of the people that are studying pure maths, it's white people. How are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? Now I was telling Majita, guys, whether you support my initiative or you don't support my initiative, now I don't mind to quit TikTok and go back to the taxing. I have a diploma in traffic and policing. The same way I'm fill up in the Z83s, I will never give up until I get where I want to go. Doesn't mean when I'm going to be on TikTok. When I'm not going to be on TikTok, I'm defaulting. You will see now, I'm left with how many minutes? I'm left with 13 minutes to take my ARVs. Every day, 9 o'clock in the morning, I'm taking my one pill. And it doesn't mean when I'm no longer going to be on social media, it means I defaulted. No, I did not. Bare mbasadi ba o chat, ba lla ka eng se batla go. Bare mbasadi ba o chat, ba imela ke di ring. Ke di kwai le di depression. You get my point what I'm saying, guys? Why is it Lili second dongwe? Lili second dongwe, guys. Guys. Let's drive this organization. Kirile Molin, Ash, guys, get rejected. Wrong. Guys, I'm doing the posters. The posters said inch. Those posters, the guys, they have my face. Bonang, good morning. Yes, late. Ragandi poster mon 165. Poster ela guys ekwadile go dimura em Thabiso am HIV positive. In between in ale my face with my t-shirt there HIV. On the right hand side ekwadile strata se falletse maspa. On the left hand side ekwadile know your status, get tested, do not default. Kotla se na le di page tsa ka le di phone number tsa ka ga di poster tsele. Are di tseng re di sa go di high school tsotlhe ka mo South Africa. So that guys we can start doing the teachings, love life teachings on TikTok. Banaba lebella on Saturday morning and Sunday. Raba Gruma, no need to go to schools. Did you support? Le supportile. Bo, Obansor South Africa education things they don't support. Salo wana ning gift. Keramo, kene mo bona ba thepa screen. Mara motho mwana wa Iran to bo tlaela. O tla bona re bile batho ba kono nna le 10,000 ma mo lebeletse. Salo bona ning gift. Nah, an untouchable boy. Kere wena salo bona ning gift ya o tseya pila. A re boleleng nnete. Mara re go le botsa ro joina life e nngwe bjano. Mole motho a teng ga o mmone. Ke le boditse ka re go le kereya. ke fonetse ke more than 30 ya batho ka World AIDS Day. Ba na le di-event ko di-spaneng tsa bona, ba na le di-event ko dikerekeng. World AIDS Day, it will be Saturday this year. Guys, abuti Thabiso re bona mmereko o mo pilana re le ba kere ke rile ke nyaka saka. If you want chelete, don't call me. Agar marangwa go botsa guys, we are doing this like you. Ke itse gore wa bona this month it's awareness month. Bana ba ba bukile ka di 13 ke na le event o mongwe nyaka ka di 20 o mongwe nyaka ka di 20 gore bona e so line up. A ke fele pelo ke itse gore o tlo tlhoka motivational speaker. So motivational speaker lo no people gore o tla mahala o bambile. E bona le ka World AIDS Day ha ba ntshe chelete le ka World AIDS Day le lo ka simbitse tle ke ntse mo aka mo ntse ke lebeletse TV shile ha nje ke lebella Netflix one way ke le wane ka reka wine ka nna mo ntlung a ke tshwenye motho ka stlwela mo mberekisa le mberekisitse enough ke liretse ka thonitela bana ba lla ditlhabo diphetse di-food parcel lo tse ba ke sa di etsa why is why ke lemile gore when I want to push my organization, when I come to you guys, you always complain. You are like waiting for my one mistake so that I can be a topic of the whole day. I know some of you are just waiting for someone to come and say, yeah, they say Thabiso once infected me with HIV, and then that's when. For an example, I buried my daughter. People never bula di panel ba bolela go botsa my followers. My followers ba re Thabiso ana society. Guys, o ka re kwa e ho na le mokekolo wa tlhoka society fotse ya pila. Ke stress a gore batho ba ile jang ho tla batho ba bantši ba mmolaile. Some of you le mo TikTok mo le botse di video. Le botse di ya he ba bang ba kwala di statement di company di re ya yo so because ro switch tsa why is it joke about my TikTok and bon I did not even feel the pain. I got on my TikTok ka bolela ka guys ngwana ga mmolaile this ba ga bona ba today ba lebetse. Maga a ntlo ya first break a lokele sliding door e nne ntlo ye cool a palle go patela society gore ke mothusi go ya ka wena. So what do say people they are waiting for a mistake. So I know how many of you out of this 182 how many of you texted me and say, Thabiso, my condolences? It's only few. But I all know most of you guys, you have my numbers, you kept that. It's calling me, man. You understand, guys? So, those are the things that, guys, I want to teach you. Why is it this content? Ka 2022, I was framed to infectile bana ba sekolo ka HIV. You still remember? Ba bona re ya ba palla ba mframe ka ngwanyana, kante guys ba lebetse ke robile luto. Ba re ka ngwanyana guys batho ba TikTok ba gatara 5,000 ba efa ngwanyana. Ba yo bula case rape go choming ya bona. Guys why is rape le murder adina bail. Mapodisa ntshwere la bone. Katsana ebile ba ntshwere tsona na ka bo past 9. I was laughing because na ke tsamaya ka dipatla. Katsana ka nna go di seleng ke rile tu ya re labone ya re Freida ya re Saturday ya re Sonda Manda ba mpulela ba tlhoka evidence gore go bontsha gore guys ke tlhaka ile this content ke fitile the storms ba tetse mo TikTok mo ba emana na holwe ebe ke botsisiwe question na hore motho a tlatse dikgang ka Thabiso guys mo hotlhe ore Thabiso o tsamaya go dikolong o robala ke re ngwana wa sekolo o ke re betseng ko mofeng ba pallwa mo ba re bo bitsa tshenolo PI a investigate di phone di ka re feel free do it ba ipotsa re ke bua on Monday Thabiso will quit TikTok ba no mogala ka manta mfana ke tsena live re vu life re vu e tlala ke fa the side of story ya fela no wa tlhokofala ngwana ba bua bona the same people ba mo TikTok ba nnela fatshe ka mfasa ditlhare you understand ne are over o ka ba difficult or re ka ba na joetse sniper I still have the chat sheet a ke na energy dilo tse wait a ke na ke dilo tse loreng guys di tlo ba di a nyaka di challenge go I'm sick and tired so you see now I grew up in a Christianity family. I don't wanna lie. That's why I know that's why guys I know how to play a keyboard. Guys, I was playing keyboard. I was reading a Bible. I wasn't reading a Bible. I wasn't reading Bible on Sunday. I was like the story of Job. Job was tempted for many times. Satan sa la tse lehumo la Jobe a tseya bana ba Jobe a fa Jobe bolwetse a ipotsa gore Jobe o tla give up mosadi ya Jobe a botsa Jobe a roa modimo wa hao Jobe a hana re kampane ka re wa letsatsi le ke beleilweng ka lona dilo tsela Jobe di lusitseng di buile times 7 so Joe anything that comes on my way Joe ana no ka o sa roga no utlo ba re mama Thabiso o tlhokofetse wa re yo mara this ka bo sure ba re abuta Thabiso mara Thabiso yena still standing. When I say put yourself in my shoes, you will understand. Then when I say na pegamo, o tsena go ara relationship of etsa motho o botsa ka meriri, the whole useless ka teng, banna ba betcha bana ba bona. Mara na buta o jiga ka ntlu go tsuba RG montsha rutlhe. E palla la buta ora morekele bupu ore na santse ke rekela buta. Next time guys you need to ask before you are going to judge us sorry. Mara baby what are you going through? Ska lebella wena plate ya wena mo vas a ke tsoro ntlhalwanya na bona o last year guys this year January this year ke le botsa gore guys are to saneng ke shoot my reality TV show ya my journey in HIV kare it doesn't mean that this thing that thing guys in a production e ke mseditseng mo shoot ena le transport salala I support. Have you ever supported ke le botsa gore guys I already started shooting my episodes. The name of the show ke my journey in HIV ka ba ka ntsha le clip tsa teng tse nyane to show you guys this is where ke mo ke felletseng mo teng ke na le 3 episodes since ke is there anyone came on board or Thabiso let me invest let's take it to a TV no mara gausane once ke push this project once I'm pushing this project ke fetsa you will be gathering on TikTok saying Thabiso Seema a sa re bona ka rre batho I told you guys last year this year last year I went to 108 schools morning Selina I went to 108 schools alone. Asanga ka tshella ke potho petrol ke tsamaya ke itirela di motivation. I went to Khanyisa, you pass Mafikeng wa feta bo Setlaolo bo Thutlwane kwa ha o lebile Vryburg wa jika. I went to all high schools in Khanyisa ke tloa ke le Pretoria. I went to maybe 80 schools in Mpumalanga, 60 schools in Mpumalanga. I went to Gauteng o ka re ke 12 and Northwest o ka re le yona ke 12. When can you do that ka tšhelete how? Can you do that ka tšhelete how? Wa re go tshela petrolo go etela dikolo ke nyako ba botsa se ke tumileng ka sona, or wa bona people who are living with chronic like albinism or decay ba ba phelang ka di ba organization ya LGBTQ wa bona motho a etsa so. Guys, lena le metse fela wa theka motho. That's what you guys are waiting for. Dilo tse pele le tlo di realize morago. Ana no ngere celebrity tsenemo. Celebrity ille ba rwa shota ka nyuku. Just because motho le wena mone go isi dingo go SABC la ba thusa. Mara go ra ke re mmitse ka jeno na motho le ba thusitseng le re we need you go sekolong le tlo bolela le bana. Motase, what you are asking me, if you were with us, you wouldn't even ask me this. Here now, you guys are calling me to come for the HIV awareness event. Rego World is the Limpatla Mahala. Ki retse bana ba lena. So le no le sanyaga mahala. Ai khonahale. So when you ask me and say you do this out of your heart, or like, can I do something without not loving it, wasting my energy? No, it can't be. So I don't know. We are facing December World AIDS Day. Now people they start to recognize me, the stupid Taviso. The stupid Taviso must go. I World AIDS Day mahal. How fetsa ba bang batle me zaka ka nna go dikolong or Taviso collectile zaka. We pay Taviso this much. Lesam badel. So you want me also again to run those services again? No, you won't see it. So, hence I'm saying this to you. Get my project of shooting my reality TV show is to be. When I go to schools, guys, I buy sanitary pads. When I go to schools for a girl child, for the boy child, babutis, I buy them toothbrush and the bath soap. I don't carry lots of ayana fair. So can you imagine how much I'm spending when you are calling me to come to school? Firstly, it's petrol. Secondly, I'm going with the people. When we are done there, people that you are with, they want to eat. They want to eat. You understand? They want to eat. How will you feel tomorrow? How will you feel tomorrow when someone comes here on TikTok and say, guys, Taviso took my 6,000. He had an event, he said to me, he will pay me nini. Taviso said he will pay me nini. Taviso asompadeli. Taviso asompadeli. What are you guys going to say? Alo bula di panel. Parole bezor the 6,000 e tlebe ya di mil. We ya di mil o rekela bana ba lena di pets. So guys, Baba Irang, the World AIDS Day event. Don't text me and tell me about World AIDS Day will empty-handed. O ga sempiletse company le patela wa mpotsa re ba re twa mo Pitori ya Joburg go late 5,000 a ke half. A ke half. Bitsang ba tlhontse le ba bitsa every year. nna le ntloeleso. Yes, Mapef. Naga World AIDS, they don't call me Ifus Nazaga. And I guys go push at the project. You are right, that Lama. Why is it Joe? Ergo wasn't the one. I shouldn't be here on TikTok saying, guys, let's do the poster study high school. Let's do the poster study high school. Kenya kana le di 165. Ke irela bana ba lena. Ka one day Chubi ke ithutile motl, ke iponetse yona. Guys, I'm still on the ground. I guess le mabane le bone ke tswa life na ke appointment ya something. Go bontsha re ke lokisetsa eng. Ka re go botsa jo a ke palle ko ya go di long distance taxis. Di na le salary. As long as you have a PDP, you can earn close to 4,000 every Monday. O ya ka di load tsa o tse ifonyana tse di hoile mo bekeng. Wa gra 4,000 when you times that 4,000 times 4 on only 16,000 e tlebentse o e ja mo tseleng. So nka palisa ke eng gore after the PDP ke sno ke kry next month ka December ke thomo o invest ke te pele chelete ya gore go shoot a reality TV show. O tla bona le show ya ka le dilo tsa ka ona sponsored by le ya go dikolo ka se mpone ke tshwere banner ya company ke re Spassing Phile di pets. Mara ka o sa notla utlo mo lena ma bolela re wa ipona ka jeno question gore a thoma o ipona ka matla a mang. Exehuli ana bromo montsere am phonela agent a re Thabiso bona ke a o khopela ke tla o patela ke khopela o tlotlo bolela le one of my siblings wa lwala. Guys ke ile dada mano mpatetse pila ke thabile gore mfo too sharp gore batho ba bona hanela ba go ntse gore jo kolo ya etsa mae ka metsi a o tsamaye ka matlapa nako ya hao le khona o bula trauma counseling ba o botsa gore no per hour na re charge 1,500 mara o yo le patela for trauma counseling ngwana go ena betha ke 8 mo la tlhobeya ngare ke mohodutswana o netse ke pula ya o bitse le khoa o le patele papa mara e santse o patele Thabiso for le mo fe thuta le mo gae thuta mara we bona ga re ha e tla go Thabiso re mmitse re mo patele le bona ga re wa una ke motho montsho na ke sa tlo ba tloela batho o tlo WhatsAppela one day next year ke le busy ke re ila long distance abuti khopela o le lwena ka re 250 ke tla emisa khumbi ene ke ho apile e bo thomo re Thabiso wa sweng ke tshentshitse ke le ena ke tla pila ke le irela mahala la thoma la tloela sporo ga le bona re le tloela sporo too much magabu ke thuša o tware bjao le batla gore le nna ko nyako go bona motho o tlhoka seledu ha ke tla le game ba bona ke le khale ke give upile ka content es guys re ke late metsi ke no di ARV ke le bontsha gore le nga tloela TikTok nga se di tloele nna ke nyoko tlhobeya nga re ke moloi ra manala la makima matlho ala ma brown nga ro jile sebete sa tshweni ba bang ba lena ba busy ba fitla HIV ka makeup kra motho a teng di-lips tsa teng ka re kona fetse o just stock sweets sa lollipop ye motho a teng la ntse so ke thaga ya hao la ntse straight so mo shosho ba neng ka re wa tsheya makeup o nyaka nya ke tsona dilo tse tsa anna ba lena ba busy ba lla ka di-gout a batle mo re ba fodisa ka ditleliniki ona di-gout namankile a lwadisa mara ke ja nama every day why gout o sa tle yona gout o nyaka le pokoso le papa ka ba moloya ko mmereko ba bofa dikoloi ba o nyaka mo o nwe pilisi tlwele o tlo balabala motho gore balabalela ka mantšomane le sa tlo anwa madi ya dipudi ka lebaka la AIDS le nyela ya ngena ARV ya phuma AIDS lo tlhatlha le bo mma bosebeletsi bošimo o tekakele a o tsena kwa ba o fe scanama ba o peita engine ko morago kwa ko re bona ka nako o e hafisa wes o di tsa modimo di no swa mahala every Sunday no ARV tswa mo dilong tlholo ipakela mathata a matlalo a dinoga modimo o latlhile noa kwa le botsa re noa wena wa bona motho mogate serete wena motho mogate wena ka jone o bitsa noa gore ke ntlhontlo toloma ba nyela one day ngaka tsa lena ka jeno he di bona di paletse ko bongakeng di thomo ba baruti ba ba tshelwa di thomo ya di kerekeng bjanong ba bula dikereke fire rona go botsa re jo I pray to my God during the weekend la morasetsa I always pray for the strength not to be rich. I don't know if we are clear too short wa re bjao le sa tlo di khetla strata le sa tlo rapela ka dithanse rwa morueng o tlolela lenyalo ko kerekeng kwa o rathafetse maotola masesana ka rononyane le ba re ke mororwane e ntse rwe tsa mo lebelela mafotisa yang kerekeng ka the age of 40 o ka se itse rona ba nametse matipane ko morago ba setlhefetse kwa thwateng ko na le bipolar gore motho o na le bipolar a fetse o ba le bipolar ba le HIV ka mo ha bereke ka mo na le bana ba 3 different fathers ka maronya ka serious relation ke batho o kgonang ka mathata makana le modimo a sa o nyaka wena santse o di tukise pele before ya go sefatlhong sa modimo nna re itukise pele re mo rapela re le fresh nna re rapela modimo o di ande o tla ba tlhatsa le mafatlha ko kerekeng ko ntse o rasa